Are you a local expert? By that I mean, do you know the average price per square foot for condos that are selling in your local neighborhood? Single family homes? What the average bed and bath count is? All of these things down to the minutia, right? Not just $789 or 780-ish or high sevens is average square foot price. But do you know, is it $783.27? Because that's being a market expert, really being the knowledge broker, right, in your neighborhood. Of course, you got to break that down into all the different areas, but you'll find that you get people's attention when you have very detailed information about exactly what's happening in the market. And it's never been more important than now to really dissect the numbers and dig in really super deep, because there's so many changes happening in our marketplace and they're happening so quickly that you really have to stay on top of this on a weekly, monthly basis and just kind of adjusting for the seasons. We certainly are entering another season here now. And as that season shifts and changes, it's super duper important that you stay on top of all those numbers and be that market expert to serve your clients.